Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Today we are going to show you how to make money online using Google Translator. This is a very legit way to make money online, and anybody can do this and see results. All you need is to follow along step by step as we show you in this video. So the first step is to go to this website called Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is the world's largest leading freelance website. Millions of people visit this website on a daily basis to look for freelancers online. So once you are here, type in the search bar right here, Translator. Once you are done, click on search and let it load. Once you are on this page, scroll down, and as you can see right on this page, there are a lot of people on this website offering to translate people's written documents into other languages. As you can see right here, I will translate English to Korean perfectly, and so on. And as you can see, this seller has done well over 147 translations, which is a lot of money. This one right here, I will translate English to Spanish. This one has done over 1,000 translations, which is also plenty of money. This one says I will translate from English to Portuguese, and they have made over 1,000 translations, which is huge. And guys, if you scroll down throughout this page, there are a lot of people on this website doing the same thing and making tons of dollars on this website. And guys, I am going to be showing you 100% free way by which you too can do this using Google Translator, all for free. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google search bar and type in Google Translator. Once you are done, hit enter and let it load, and you will land on a page just like this. So all you need is to scroll down and click on the first link right here, so we can let it load much bigger on a bigger space. So once you are on this page, you will see that this website is totally free to everyone all around the world, and anybody from any country at all can use this Google Translator for any of their project. So what you can do with this Google Translator web page is that you will have to go back to Fiverr.com and sign up on Fiverr.com as a freelancer or as a seller, not as a buyer, and offer your services to people on Fiverr. And once they send you a document to translate in a particular language, all you need to do is to copy that language and go back to Google Translator and paste it right here, and it will do the whole job for you. As you can see, there are tons of languages to choose from. Guys, this is very easy and simple to do. You don't need to be an expert in any of these languages. Google Translator will do the whole work for you. As you can see, there are already people on Fiverr.com that are doing this and making a lot of money. And we have just showed you a simple way which is totally free and easy to do. So guys, take advantage of this and start making money today. Make sure you go through the process we just explained in the video. Watch the video again if you miss out on anything. This is your chance to make some money online if you have never ever made any money online before. So make sure you take hold of this idea and use it now. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new video when we post a new video. And if you have any comments, put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.